This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your Pixel 8 so contactless payments work reliably. Turn on NFC in connected devices because Google Pay needs that radio active. Next, sign into the Google account tied to your payment profile so cards sync. Once done, make sure you have a secure screen lock, PIN, pattern, or biometric, since Google Pay won't authorize transactions without it. These steps ensure the phone can exchange payment tokens safely, and they prevent fraud if the device is lost or stolen. Open Google Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a credit or debit card. This is the core of making payments. You can scan the card with the camera to save time, or type the number and expiry manually if you prefer precision. After entry, verify the card with your bank, usually via SMS code, bank app confirmation, or temporary charge code, because verification converts the card into a secure token. Once verified, the wallet stores the token, which is safer than keeping the raw card number. To pay, wake your Pixel 8, then tap the back of the phone to the contactless terminal and wait for the confirmation check or vibration. That confirms the tokenized payment went through. Once done, manage cards in wallet, set a default, remove old cards, or check transaction history for receipts. If a payment fails, first re-enable NFC and restart the phone, then verify the card is default and the bank permits contactless. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card to refresh the token.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.